How to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. To do that, you just simply open your settings and then go to General and go to Software Update. Do also take note that you need to have an internet connection via Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And then click on download and install on the bottommost part of the screen and then wait for it to load. And once you have done that, you should check out your flashlight once again. So go to your control center and then click on flashlight right here. So, if it still doesn't work, what I would like you to do is to press and hold on to this flashlight button, and then you should try to increase the intensity of the light or the brightness of the light. So you may just tap on this topmost box right here, or you may also drag it like this one. So let's go back first. So you may drag it like this one, and then um, you should be able to use your flashlight. And then, if you are also having a problem with your flash on your camera, you just simply open your camera and then swipe up like this one. So make sure that you don't have, you didn't click anything on the screen as this will change the brightness of the video or picture, for example. So you need to close it first and then open the camera, swipe up directly, and then click on the flashlight icon right here or the flash icon, and then make sure to click on right here. So if all of these steps still doesn't work, what I would like you to do is to simply contact Apple support or go to the nearest Apple or Mac center to provide more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix flashlight not working on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.